NuGEN Machineries Limited, pioneers of indigenously designed, engineered, and manufactured Trimans, hydraulic press brakes, and hydraulic shears in India since 1982. Trimans numerically controlled hydraulic press brakes are equipped with programmable NC back gauge, with variable speed, fitted with 2-axis NC controller, Y-axis, for depth and angle control, and X-axis, for back gauge positioning.
NuGEN machines are built considering the performance of machines for decades, not for years.
Longer strokes enable use of wider combination of tooling and versatile operations. Emergency switch is provided to reduce chances of accidents and to avoid job rejections.
This enables operator to bend jobs, with 1 to 8 bends on each edge, in one setup. Automatic retraction of back gauge on pinch point ensures flawless operation.
Trimans NC hydraulic press brakes from NuGEN Machineries Limited has an advantage of reduced material handling time. NuGEN Machineries Limited has the distinction of pioneering and introducing the rear cylinder hydraulic press brakes in India in the year 1984, which revolutionized the Indian press brake technology from mechanical to hydraulic. NuGEN machine structures are designed keeping in mind the highest factor of safety and lowest deflections, keeping in mind the weight and durability factor of machines. We prioritize safety, longevity, accuracy, precision, and performance.
Trimans numerically controlled hydraulic press brakes are equipped with renowned European-make Cyberlic touchscreen controller, servo motor, servo drive, high-precision magnetic linear scale and ball screws.
The controller memorizes 50 punches, 50 dies, 200 programs, 24 sequences per program, and 10 materials.
Machines we manufacture.
Trimans brand conventional hydraulic press brakes. Numerically controlled, or NC hydraulic press brakes. CNC synchro hydraulic press brakes. Fixed rake angle hydraulic shears. Variable rake angle NC hydraulic shears.
Extra edge hydraulic shears.
Special purpose hydraulic presses, and other sheet metal machineries, based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India.
NuGEN Machineries Limited. Innovation. Perfection. Reliability.